Welcome. I am Burn Beauty 2018 and this is my weekly vlog. Get ready with me to go to CurlyCon. It is a curly hair convention. Right here I am gluing on my prosthetic eyebrows. I have no facial hair after being burned. Then a little bit of Milk Hydro Grip primer that works really well on my skin, otherwise the makeup will slide right off. Skin grafts don't have pores, so there's nothing to hold it on. So if you're doing your makeup after a burn or a graft or anything like that, remember that you need a really good primer. The makeup that I do is for everyone. I am color correcting and using concealer here. I'm applying it pretty much all over my face, and that is because I'm going to use um, a skin tint. So I'm building my own full coverage foundation because it feels good on my skin, and I believe beauty is about looking and feeling good. So I want my face to be comfortable all day, and I want it to be beautiful. So there it is. You can use concealer as foundation. It is more forgiving. There's the Givenchy skin tint. I pushed it into the brush off camera, then applied it all over and set it with MAC Fix Plus. I let it dry, and then this is Bare Minerals, the original Mineral Veil foundation, and I'm applying that all over, and I do set it with the Mineral Veil setting powder and Huda Beauty Ube powder under my eyes. I used a powder puff here, but if you have any lines underneath your eyes, it will apply much better with a light highlighter brush. Here, NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. I am just feeling so good at this point. I'm excited. I'm nervous because I'm having to wear a wig to a curly hair convention, even though I have curly hair. But that's because I actually have a really bad infection on my scalp right now, and it has a big bald spot at the front. I'm upset about that because as soon as I got my nose, it happened. And sometimes it feels like you can't catch a break, but life goes on. So this eyeshadow, I wanted to do just a couple of colors. I am trying to pop the color of this dress and the color of my eyes. I'm thinking about both. I'm using some NYX color corrector as a highlighter here. It works great, and I love that little button nose thing I've got going on there. Put a little by your eyes to give a easy facelift. And then NYX Epic Ink Liner. You don't even have to run this across your lid. You can lay it on the side and just press it in if you can't make a line that you like. Remember, it does not have to be perfectly straight. God does not make straight lines, and you don't either. Here, lash glue, put it on the lashes, lay them to the side, finish your makeup. I do like to put a little bit of lash glue on my eyeliner as well, and then to get rid of the redness on my waterline, I prefer using eyeshadow. This one size blush is so pretty. It came in my Ipsy box, and I thought, when am I ever going to wear this? This was the perfect time. I wanted to put a little color on my face, but not much. The blush, she's not that girl today. She's not the star of the show. My eyes are in this dress, and God knows this nose. I put highlighter pretty much everywhere and then started lining my lips, do each side and then under the bottom. My bottom lip is the only thing that is original to my face. Everything else has been replaced. So the top lip, I use my Medusa piercing as the midpoint and then easily draw on my top lip. I say easily because I've been practicing it for several years. When you do your liner, don't pull it all the way out to the corner of your mouth because the corner of your mouth is likely drooping if you're over 40, so don't accentuate that. You can blend it out with the other end of the lip liner if you're using MAC. And then I added Fenty Grill Master lipstick. Thought it was pretty. Remember to clean up your lips with a little bit of concealer. Even if it looks perfect, this will highlight your lip. So here it is. I put the lash on. I got in a hurry. It just sticks. It's almost like a magnet when you let the glue get tacky. That glue had been setting for probably 5 or 6 minutes at that point. I set everything with more MAC Fix Plus, and then this is Ben Nye Final Seal. It is a finishing spray. It will hold your makeup all day. This is me at CurlyCon, and I am feeling on top of the world because I got to meet Tabitha Brown. Here, I'm on my way home, and my Uber driver drove me by Skid Row. People live here. This is huge. This is blocks and blocks of tents. I am not recommending that you go here. I don't think you should be walking around. The driver had been in Los Angeles for a decade, and he said he wouldn't, do it at night, but he knows the area. He lives in the area. And it it really hit home for me after being invited to this convention as a VIP for YouTube and feeling like, God, thank you, God, I finally am starting to make it. And then remembering how grateful I need to be. I've been making it. That is the Hotel Cecil, and it is haunted AF. Do not go here. You can feel the energy of this building. I would not be walking by it like those people are. Um, it was a great day. Just look. It was a great day. It was a great week. Oh my God. Thank you for Tabitha. Thank you for everything I have. Thank you for watching. I love you. Whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.